Looking to stay cool in the summer and cozy in the winter without blowing up your energy bill? Today, we're diving into the top split air conditioners on the market, ranked from weakest to best, so you can pick the one that fits your space and your lifestyle perfectly. Kicking off our list in the 5th spot is the Rove Sun 17,000 BTU mini split. It's a solid choice if you're looking for a basic, no-fuss AC unit that still brings the comfort of heating and cooling in one system. It comes Wi-Fi enabled, so you can manage it remotely, and it covers the essentials with its 4 operating modes. Now, where the Rove Sun tries to hold its ground is with sheer power. That 17,000 BTU cooling capacity is nothing to sneeze at, definitely more than your average 12K BTU units. It's great for medium-sized spaces, and if you're all about keeping things simple without too many extra bells and whistles, this might check your boxes. That said, it does fall short in a few key areas. We don't get clear info on its heating output, voltage requirements, or even the noise level, things that matter when you're trying to plan your setup. Compared to the others on this list, it's less energy efficient and lacks some of the polish you'd expect in 2025. So, if you're after a budget-friendly Wi-Fi controllable unit for basic cooling and heating, the Rove Sun could work for you. But if you want smarter control, better energy savings, or detailed specs to compare, stay tuned for what's next. And hey, if you're interested in grabbing any of the products in today's review, check out the links in the description for the best prices available. Coming in 4th is the Glacer KT-107, a surprisingly solid performer from a lesser-known brand. With 12,000 BTUs of cooling and a slightly higher heating output at 12,300 BTUs, it's a nice balance of power and efficiency, all wrapped up in a quiet package. This unit really shines with its impressive SEER rating of 20, which means it's pretty energy efficient. The indoor unit runs at a quiet 42 decibels, so it won't distract you while you're working or trying to sleep. It also comes packed with features like turbo mode, sleep mode, eco setting, and even a self-cleaning function, which, honestly, you don't see too often at this price point. But it's not all sunshine here. Unlike some of the smarter models on our list, the Glacer doesn't support Wi-Fi or voice control, which might be a deal breaker if you want full app-based convenience. Plus, with limited brand recognition and customer support details, it may feel like a little bit of a leap of faith. If you're more into performance than smart features and don't mind sticking with a simpler remote control setup, this could be a great value buy. Oh, and before we move on, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss reviews like this one. At number 3, we've got the Yaita Home 12,000 BTU unit. This one starts to blend comfort and convenience really well, especially if you're the kind of person who loves smart tech. It matches Glacer in cooling and heating capacity, but throws in app control and Alexa compatibility, making it a bit more user-friendly. Its energy rating is also solid at SEER 20, meaning you'll save on your energy bill over time. Plus, it's rated to handle up to 750 square feet, so whether it's your living room or a large bedroom, this unit's got the range to keep you comfy. It's a big step up if you want to start automating your home climate control. Now, let's talk trade-offs. The Yaita Home doesn't give us a lot of noise level data, so if you're noise sensitive, that could be a concern. And while it's got smart features, it lacks some of the more advanced operating modes you'll see in higher-end models. If you're looking for a reliable, energy-efficient unit with modern smart features, this is a great middle ground choice. Perfect for anyone who wants more control without getting too complex. Sliding into 2nd place is the Costway 12,000 BTU unit, and this one's got a lot going for it. Right off the bat, it has the highest energy efficiency rating on our list at SEER 21. It's quiet too, running at just 41 decibels. And it brings some advanced features like a 134-degree self-cleaning function and a wide variety of operating modes. Costway really thought about usability and long-term maintenance with this model. Between its eco and turbo settings and that self-cleaning feature, it offers the kind of control that feels premium. If you're the type who wants powerful performance without smart tech, this one hits the sweet spot. Its main drawback? no built-in smart control. That means no Wi-Fi, no Alexa, and no app support. Just your classic remote. It also operates on a higher voltage, so if your home isn't already wired for 230 volts, you might need an electrician. For anyone who wants top-tier efficiency, whisper-quiet operation, and premium features without smart tech dependency, this one's a real contender. Taking the crown at number 1 is the MRCOOL DIY 36K BTU 4th Gen. And this thing is an absolute beast. Whether you're outfitting a large living room, garage, or even a small apartment, this is the heavy hitter that can do it all, and do it smart. It's designed for big spaces with a massive 36,000 BTU output and a wide coverage area of up to 1,550 square feet. What makes it even more appealing is its DIY setup. This is one of the few units that comes pre-charged with refrigerant and features quick connect lines, so you can install it without hiring a pro. And with Wi-Fi, Alexa, and Google Assistant built in, it's future-ready too. On the flip side, it does require 230 volts of power, which might mean a little electrical work depending on your setup. Also, noise levels aren't clearly defined, so if that's a deal breaker for you, take note. Still, for those who want ultimate control, massive coverage, and the freedom to install it yourself, this MRCOOL unit stands head and shoulders above the rest. And that wraps up our list. If you saw something you liked, check out the description below for links to the best deals on each product. Don't forget to like the video and hit that subscribe button. More honest reviews and smart shopping tips are just around the corner.